How Chanca Piedra naturally supports kidney stone prevention and gallbladder health after 50. Have you ever heard of an herb so powerful that its literal translation means stone breaker? As we cross the milestone of 50, our bodies begin to signal the need for extra care. Years of subtle metabolic shifts, changes in hydration habits, and evolving digestive efficiency can suddenly manifest as sharp, unexpected discomfort. Two of the most common and painful structural issues that arise during this stage of life are kidney stones and gallstones. While modern medicine offers various interventions, many adults over 50 are actively searching for gentle, time-tested, and natural ways to protect their organs before a crisis occurs. Enter Chanca Piedra, Philanthus nuri, a small Amazonian herb that has captured the attention of both traditional herbalists and modern researchers alike. Today, we will dive deep into what Chanca Piedra is, how it works biologically to support your kidneys and gallbladder, why it is particularly beneficial after 50, and how you can safely incorporate it into your daily wellness routine. What is Chanca Piedra? Chanca Piedra is a tropical plant native to the coastal regions of the Amazon rainforest, as well as parts of India and Southeast Asia. For generations, indigenous communities have brewed its leaves, stems, and roots into a potent herbal tea. Its legendary Spanish name, Chanca Piedra, translates directly to stone breaker. This resilient herb is packed with active plant compounds, including alkaloids, natural compounds that help relax smooth muscles within the internal urinary and biliary tracts, flavonoids and polyphenol, powerful antioxidants that combat localized oxidative stress and inflammation, triterpenes, plant chemicals known to help regulate mineral balance and protect cellular health. Unlike synthetic supplements, Chanca Piedra works holistically, offering a multi-targeted approach to internal organ filtration and smooth muscle relaxation. The double-action benefit: kidneys and gallbladder. To understand why Chanca Piedra is so highly regarded for adults over 50, we must look at how it simultaneously supports two entirely different, yet equally vital, filtration systems. 1. Kidney stone prevention, breaking and flushing. Kidney stones form when minerals in the urine, most commonly calcium oxalate, become highly concentrated and crystallize. Over time, these crystals bind together, forming painful stones. Chanca Piedra helps disrupt this process in three distinct ways. Interferes with crystallization. Studies suggest that Chanca Piedra can actually help change the structure of the crystals, making them less sticky. This prevents them from clumping together to form larger stones, relaxes the urinary tract. The natural alkaloids in the herb help relax the smooth muscles of the ureters, the tubes connecting the kidneys to the bladder. This relaxation makes it much easier for microscopic stones or mineral sediment to pass smoothly without causing intense pain. Natural diuretic action. It acts as a gentle diuretic, increasing urine volume. A higher volume of urine naturally dilutes mineral concentrations, significantly reducing the risk of stone formation. 2. Gallbladder health, promoting bile flow. The gallbladder stores bile, a fluid produced by the liver to help digest fats. When cholesterol or bilirubin in the bile hardens, it forms gallstones. As digestive enzymes change after 50, sluggish bile flow becomes more common. Chanca Piedra supports the biliary system by stimulating bile production. It encourages the liver to secrete healthy, fluid bile, preventing the stagnation that leads to stone formation, clearing the bile ducts. Just as it relaxes the urinary tract, Chanca Piedra helps relax the bile ducts. This allows the gallbladder to empty fully and flush out microscopic sludge before it solidifies into painful stones. Why this matters significantly after 50. Aging changes the internal landscape of our bodies. After 50, several factors come into play that make Chanca Piedra a particularly relevant ally. Decreased thirst sensation. Older adults naturally experience a diminished sense of thirst, leading to chronic mild dehydration. Dehydration is the #1 cause of kidney stones. Changes in calcium metabolism. As bone density changes with age, the way the body processes and excretes calcium alters, sometimes leading to higher concentrations of calcium in the urine. Sluggish digestion. Gallbladder issues spike after 50 because the liver's bile production can become thicker and less fluid, making the gallbladder work harder to expel it. Incorporating a natural defense like Chanca Piedra helps counteract these age-related shifts before they turn into agonizing medical emergencies. How to use Chanca Piedra safely. Chanca Piedra is widely available in health food stores and online. It can be consumed in 3 primary forms. 1. Traditional herbal tea, infusion. Brewing loose dried leaves is the most traditional method. Add 1 teaspoon of dried Chanca Piedra to a mug, pour 1 cup of boiling water over it, cover, and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes, drink it plain once a day as a preventative measure. 2. Liquid tinctures, extracts. For those who do not enjoy the earthy, slightly bitter taste of the tea, liquid extracts are highly convenient. A few drops can be mixed into a glass of water or juice according to the product label. 3. Capsules and tablets. Standardized capsules offer a precise dosage and are ideal for daily, hassle-free supplementation. Important safety reminders and disclaimers. While Chanca Piedra is a magnificent natural remedy, potency requires caution, especially for individuals over 50 who may be managing other health conditions. Blood sugar and blood pressure. Chanca Piedra can naturally lower blood pressure and blood sugar. If you take medications for hypertension or diabetes, monitor your levels closely and consult your physician. Medication interactions. Because of its diuretic effect, it may interact with prescription water pills, not a replacement for emergency care. If you are experiencing acute, severe pain in your lower back or right upper abdomen, accompanied by fever or nausea, seek immediate medical attention. Chanca Piedra is an excellent tool for preventative support and managing microscopic sediment, but it cannot safely dissolve a large, completely blocked stone during an acute attack. Conclusion. Your kidneys and gallbladder work tirelessly every single day to filter waste and assist in digestion. Supporting them after 50 doesn't require invasive procedures or overly complicated routines. By turning to time-tested botanical allies like Chanca Piedra, you provide your body with the exact tools it needs to keep fluids moving, prevent crystallization, and maintain internal harmony naturally. Combined with consistent hydration and a balanced diet, this ancient stone breaker can be a valuable addition to your healthy aging toolkit.